Hey guys, by the time you guys watch this, it will be January. I did a lot today, but I'm also really tired because, I don't know, whatever guys watching this, sorry, but the time of the month hit me today. So, yeah. Tomorrow is my birthday, um, which is, I'm excited, but I think what's sucky is that I have my cycle. I don't know, every time I have my cycle on my around my birthday, which doesn't always happen, I feel like my mood is just like blah. But I'm trying to still, sorry, I'm trying to pick up stuff, but I'm still trying to be enthusiastic. I guess tomorrow when I get to the place that I'm going to, I'll be more joyous, I guess. But anyway, that vlog is probably going to come out before this one. I'm going to film it on my phone though. I'm not going to film it on my camera. I don't try not to carry any extra stuff. I'll get bits and pieces and hopefully it'll make like a good 10-minute vlog, if anything. I'm not trying to make it anything longer than that. But yeah, today I feel like I try to relax, but I also did a lot too. I finished editing another video because I wanted to finish editing it because I did it on my phone, and I know like if I try to record tomorrow on my birthday on my phone, the storage might be a little low. I just have to do some miscellaneous things. I actually need to get my pants, but by the time this drops, I guess I can show it to you. That was the reason that I got all black for my birthday to wear, because I knew my period was going to come. My tracker is generally correct. This time it was 2 days behind, but I knew I was still going to get my period regardless around my birthday. So I did get an all black outfit, but I tried to make it stylish because the place that I'm going to also has a photo booth area. So I brought like my tripod so that I could take photos as well. Talking about that, I need to charge my portable charger if need be. Actually, I'm about to charge it right now, just thinking about it. That and some, like, I'm not gonna wear my over the head headphones. I'm just gonna wear my cheap Five Below headphones. They're good quality, but they're annoying sometimes because you gotta keep on sticking in your ear. But I'd rather wear those because I don't want to mess up my hair. I have the curl and roller heatless curler, whatever it's called, set thing. That's what I have in my hair right now. But anyway, I got these pants from Forever 21, and you guys will see this by the time the vlog will probably drop, and then you guys will see my photos and blah blah blah. So it doesn't really dry or anything. I let it air dry, but like the back is a little wrinkly. Now I'm gonna end up taking it off because I'm doing a massage show for my birthday. That's a package that I got, is a massage, but you also get like, they give you cake and all this stuff. So, but I will film this again, so I don't want to go through the whole nines. But I feel like it's a little wrinkled, so I'm just gonna iron it just a little bit. It may get wrinkled again tomorrow, but it's okay. That, and then I need to get some shorts because I was like, while I do my massage, I'd rather wear like the little short boy shorts. I don't want to be like just in my underwear. They tell you can do whatever you want as far as like taking off stuff, but I think I want to wear bottoms at least, not like full-on bottoms, but like, you know, those shorts that you would wear under dresses. But yeah, like I booked it way before I even thought about like, oh, I'm gonna get my metro, but nothing's gonna really happen. So I was like, you know what, it probably would be actually good to have the massage because it will alleviate my cramps as well, and they can like really get into that. So it might be actually good for me to get the massage on my birthday, actually. But anyway, so yeah, let me go iron that before I forget. I did do my revision / prayer board. I didn't show you guys this time. Last year, I think I showed you a little bit. This year, I'm not showing anything for this upcoming 2025 year, because I just feel like I need to keep it to myself as far as what my goals are for the year. And if they come, not if they come true, they will happen. Sorry, you shouldn't say if. They will happen, then, you know, I can check off boxes to myself at the end of the year of next year, which will fall on my birthday again because I'm December 31st every year. But anyway, so yeah, I did that. I did it a little differently, and I feel like it's much more neater than I did last year. I used the same board like last time, but I just organized it, and the difference is I kind of made it a vision and a prayer board because I came up with the same prayer board. I was like, you know what, that's actually a good idea. So it's not just, oh, what you vision for, what you also like want God to, I don't want to say give you, but what you have, what desires of your heart that you have that you still like waiting for God to give you, or stuff that you want to increase. Now also, so I did that. I'm looking at the board, but I was trying to look at it to just kind of reiterate what I did, because I did do it like an hour or two ago. But anyway, I did that. I did my January calendar. I think I showed you guys that. I guess the only thing I could really share, I'll share, is travel. I do that every year, but I always put that on my vision board, like always wanting to travel. That's the only one I'll share. I'm not sharing any of the other ones. Sorry, not sorry. And then I did my calendar. I showed you guys that earlier. I bought this journal. I forgot about this journal like maybe 2-3 weeks ago. I don't know. Sometime earlier this month. And I have so many journal books, but I actually am going to use this book, I think, because my other book is kind of like ripped because I teared pages. You know how with these type of notebooks, if you tear pages after a while, they start to unravel. I might just throw that notebook honestly away anyway. It only had a few more pages. But I have different notebooks for different things. I have a notebook that I use for work. But I think I'm going to just, now I remember I had this notebook, I'm just going to use this specifically for this. So I saw on TikTok, there is, on my phone's in the charger, people have been doing, that's something else I want to do. I feel like there's 300 sentences though. I don't know if I'm going to get 300. But you write at least 300 sentences of things that you want God to do for you in 2025. That's a lot. I mean, we have 365 days in a year, but still, 300 things. I have to really sit there and think about it. I'm not going to do all of that because that seems too much. It's already like 9 something. I want to get back in my bed relaxed. And then fall asleep because I have my appointment is at 12 p.m. but I have to commute, so I'm gonna need to still like get on the train at a reasonable time, because they did say if you get there later than your scheduled time, they're not gonna extend the time. They're gonna cut your time short. And I paid some money for that, so I'm gonna make sure I'm on time. But yeah, so I'm gonna start. I might do like 20. I don't know how I'm gonna do, but really let me just quickly iron this shirt first. And then I will do that. Also, I need to start reading. I started reading, but I'm not done. By January 17th, I went to the library. When did I go to the library? Last week. And I rented a book. Well, me and my sister rented a book. I got a new library card, first of all, because I hadn't used my library card in like years. But I rented a new book. Oh, that's one of the things. Well, I guess that's another thing I can share. I want to read more books. Last year, I read, I think, a total of 4 or 5 books in its entirety. I'm talking about. There's some books I started, but I never finished it. I think it was like 5. But I know for sure it was like 4, but I think it was 5. So I want to up that. I think that was the goal for last year, but I want to up that goal and read more than that, like at least 10. That's a lot of books, but it's just the time to actually read it, because sometimes I feel like I could have read a lot during this break, but to be very honest, I feel like a lot of times I was catching up on shows, watching new shows. I'm still watching shows, so that was like taking time for me actually reading. But I need to start really picking up the pace and reading that book specifically, because I have to bring it back to the library and return it. But yeah, so enough of the chitter chatter, because it's already 8 minutes of me talking to you guys, and you guys don't have to hear me chop 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 chop. I will see you guys. I don't know what else I'm going to add to this vlog now, because I feel like it's going to be boring, because what else am I going to add to this? I don't know yet. I was thinking like January reset. Maybe I will add a component where I do some self-care, because I do have some products that I have not used yet. Like a lip mask I have. When I say lip mask, I'm wearing a lip mask actually. Talking about lip mask. I got it from TikTok shop. The Fancy Skin. It's the Plush Pudding. It's a lip mask. I actually really like it. I don't know if you guys see that. I'll leave it in the description box, because sometimes my camera is annoying with focusing. But yeah, it is really moisturizing. I'm wearing it right now. Also, I'm wearing my pajamas. You see, let me tell you something. When people give me gifts, I wear them. My aunt gave me these pajamas for my birthday. They're Ralph Lauren, by the way. You guys can't see the whole thing, but you see the RL. No, you guys still can't see it. There you go. But it's a 2-piece set. So I'm wearing the pants and the top. It's a cute top. You see, one thing about me, when people buy me stuff, I'm wearing it. Like, I think everything that, as far as, yeah, anyway, whatever. Happy New Year is Wednesday, January 1st. My last day off. Sorry. Tomorrow I go back to work. But I'm trying to clean up stuff, because I don't know, like I feel like I clean and then it gets chaotic again, and then I have to re-clean, and it's annoying. But I have a few stuff, like for example, I've been holding onto this box here. I'm going to what do you call this? My cousin's baby shower actually this Friday. So I'm like, you know what? I ain't even shower yet. Sometimes when I like to clean my room, because I know I sweat easily, I just like to clean everything up first and then shower. That's just me. I don't know about you guys. So I'm going to actually do that so I can just remove this box off the floor, because this box has been here since eternity. Not eternity, but I bought, I think, this stuff in December from the wish list. The registry wish list. So I want to just pack that up and then I'll put it to the side because it's in 2 days now. That way it's done, because also I don't want to be doing it on Friday or tomorrow, because tomorrow I go back to work. So while I have this time, I'm going to just get it out the way so I can move this box, because I have a big old Amazon box on my floor for like the longest while. So I'm going to get rid of that. Also, I started throwing out, like, you know, you keep boxes. I had boxes for, like, for example, this hair stick that I use for right here. I have to redo. I need to find the bands because my lace keeps on coming up. I don't know why this time around. And it's because I can't find the good band that holds it down. I have like 3 of them and they're not now nowhere to be found. So I have to go meticulously look for it because I know I have some more. But yeah, so I'm trying to like put all my hair accessories together as well, because I just feel like I can't see a clip or brush something. I'm trying to put them all together back into my like hair accessory bin thing. And that's like, I'm just looking around to see what else. And then I just have to clean my black desk. That's the only desk that's really messy. That just always tends to get messy with things. I don't know why. It's like I pile things on there, but I have to clean that. The top of the desk, the bottom of the desk is not really messy because I have like what do you call this? Not a cabinet. I have one of those organizer bins with stuff in there already. So it's just organizing the top of the thing. And then just putting away books. I have a bunch of books here, so... And I can't keep it on here because I got flowers yesterday. My mom gave me flowers for my birthday. So I kind of try to keep this clear of anything. My other little... it's not really a shelf. Well, there's a shelf. I already have like my clock and my candles on and my flowers on there. I don't want to put anything else on there. So, and then I'm going to put in my little crate thing. This is some team. I'll link them below. But I guess let me show it to you guys. These crate stuff. I organize things in there. So I got to put a bunch of my books in here because they can't just be anywhere.